Good morning, y'all. Started day 3 of the World Tour meet and greet here. We're still down here in Texas. As you guys can see, went and seen Brandon from BSSMALLENGINES. Great guy. Checked out his shop. Chatted for a little bit. We're gonna get a little slow start this morning here. We're gonna go grab some breakfast after Twisted V Twin Garage does his live stream. I believe he's still planning on doing it. It's still early. I don't know exactly what time it is, 4:30 or something like that, but you know, that's this time. So I'm out here with the hotel still. I'm not having a smoke, but we'll hopefully get some more good backseat vlogs for y'all. Hope you're enjoying them, and I'll catch y'all here in a little bit. Alright, y'all, day 3, the road trip. We're heading to pick Brandon up, and then we're heading down to Bocce's for a little cookout and hang out and a live stream later on this evening. We're on the road, so sit back, relax, and we're gonna get you some more footage from the day. So hang on. All right, y'all, day 3 here on this tour. 2 days in Texas, and I finally found a cactus. Not the ones I was really looking for, but you know, I want them big tall suckers. You know, I can go up and give a big hug to. Them I'd have to lay down and roll around on, but we found some cacti, so we'll keep looking for the, you know, the other stuff we were looking for. So we'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all, backseat vlog again. We're rolling through Austin right now, and of course, you know, we got Brandon over here. Hi, Brandon.
Hi, guys.
We kidnapped him for the day to take him down to Bocce's, and you know, Mark's hammering down, Sandy's navigating, and so we're just heading down, and we're gonna hang out with Bocce's. So if we find anything else, we'll get you some more video. All right, y'all, we're out here around Bocce's place. And I think she gave us the wrong directions, because this looks like nothing but the sticks, you know. You know, I'm looking for Bigfoot now, you know.
Chainsaw Massacre.
Yeah. Many of these back roads we've been on here in the last like 15 minutes, Sasquatch is going to come across the street here.
Start hollering out the window for Bocce.
Yeah, oh, that's it, yeah.
Bocce, where are you?
Bocce!
Bocce!
Yo! Bocce!
Bocce!
I don't know.
To stay on Valley Spring Road and turn left onto Farm to Market Road 2325.
Yeah, see, we got the GPS and it's taking us in circles, so I think we crossed the same little dry creek bed like 6 times coming here. It all looked the same, so it might have been. But anyways, we're gonna find this place, and we're gonna get some videos. So
Farm to Market Road,
right,
2325,
bring it back.
Branch Road 2325.
All right, y'all. As you can see, we're not in the back seat. We finally made it to Bocce's house, and we're sitting out here on the patio, hanging out, having a great time. We did get the barbecue grill all put together there and ready to go, you know. And Miss Bocce's coming back out the house there to say hi. Yeah, see, she covered her face up. She's embarrassed. So, but yeah, we'll when everybody else gets here, we'll do a little more video, and
I got her.
Get the she
and
got
there's
it.
Bocce.
We're
all gonna have a good one.
You got Brandon over there eating apples that we got here.
maybe we'll do a Who's Cooking for the Bear segment this week. So.
Yeah, and who's cooking? The bear's cooking.
No, who's cooking for the bear?
Oh,
the bear can cook.
Uh-oh.
Since
I'm on vacation.
I gotta get my own freaking coffee.
On vacation. No. Who's cooking for the bear?
Mark is.
Hey, y'all, check it out. If it moves again, we got the barbecue fired up. We might have some fresh venison. These suckers will come right up to you and feed, and you can feed them. Come on.
Got some apples for you.
Fresh Texas backstrap, anyone?
Dumbass. What the fuck was that about?
Asshole.
If you wanted to get some more bocce, I'd do something
All right,
else.
y'all. We're gonna start out here. We got some delicious lemon cookies that Bocce and her girls made, and them things are lemony and they're delicious. So I won't show y'all eating it because that powdered sugar like dumps all down through my beard. But yeah, we started out with some great lemon cookies. So hang on, they're getting ready to load the grill up, and we'll see what they got cooking on there. All right, y'all. Next up, we got some real Texas jalapeno poppers. I have had one, and they're not real hot. They got just a little bit of bite to them, but they are good. And they're stuffed with cream cheese. Yummy. Yeah, look at that. We got Mark doing the grill master, so y'all can see who's cooking for the bear tonight. I've cooked many a meal for that man. So, oh yeah. And if you got
Baby,
and
ooh, baby.
and if you guys don't see me after this, check the hospitals here in Texas, because that's probably where I'm at.
Or check the mark.
The chicken's done on the grill.
Look at that buck. Oh, he's
Look
nice.
at him.
6
1,
points.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at him.
Yeah, because if you can get a ring on that horn,
Yep.
it's a point.
That's an 8-point buck right there.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Oh, I know people that.
For Texas, he's a
Hi,
decent
buddy.
size.
Yep,
That's one of the smaller bucks
You're
around
nice.
here.
Yep. nice buck.
And this is at Bocce's house. She gets
Yep.
all the nice little.
I can't see the
He's
He's
screen.
going,
so
you
I
guys
don't know
wanting to
if
watch
it's
me
on.
while I have dinner?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's on there. Hey,
that's pretty cool.
I can't see. She's
Okay. We'll go back to our live stream. The deer interrupted it.
Can I turn
Back to
camera
the
more?
donkey.
Yeah, back to the donkey.
I need to find if I can turn my camera more to the right.
If Mark disappears,
Bocce,
he's
go and get
soloing, chasing after a deer with a knife.
Okay, I'll turn it more.
Hey y'all, it's end of day 3. Had a really good time today. We spent some time at Bocce Bubbles, Mater, Crystal Lynn, BS Small Engines. We had a little cookout. We all met at Bocce's house. Really good day. Had a great time. Really enjoyed yourself. Mark and I and Sandy are all enjoying ourselves on this trip. As you can see, we stopped for the night at the hotel here, and just a really great time so far. Got a couple more stops planned. You'll just have to wait and see where we went next. So Thanks y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget about the weekly live stream, Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Loving it. So, thank y'all again, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.